Typically, I'm the first one to wake up in the morning, and I like to grab my phone so I can reply back to all the comments that you guys left overnight. And by the time I'm getting caught up on those, normally Savannah rolls in and she'll crawl into bed with me and Chase, and he is home because this is a weekend morning routine, and so we'll just lay there and chat a while. It doesn't take too long of us up there chatting before Tiger wants his morning, like cuddles and scratches and belly rubs, so he'll come up there and visit us. The very first thing I'll do once I get out of bed is I'll let Tiger out to go potty. One of Savannah's chores is when she wakes up, she has to make sure Tiger has dog food, and he was low, so she's going to go ahead and give him some scoops of dog food, and then she also checks on his water bowl to make sure he has enough water for the day. When Chase first gets up, he likes to make a cup of coffee, and he always has that in the morning. I am not a coffee drinker, so I won't make one, but he always makes one for himself. I can already tell that Savannah's going to be a coffee drinker. She loves to take sips of Chase's, and if it's like iced coffee, hot coffee, frappuccinos, whatever, she absolutely loves it, so that's something else she takes after her daddy. Tiger is so cute. He will eat while we're eating. So if we're eating breakfast, he eats it. If we're eating dinner, he eats. Now, if we go out to dinner, he will not eat until we get back home. It's like he doesn't want to choke on his food while he's home alone. So as soon as we come in the door, he'll run to his dog food and start eating. Now we're going to start fixing breakfast, and everybody's pretty much self-sufficient, and so we kind of all make our own. I had cinnamon rolls I had baked the night before, so I'm going to heat those up, and then Savannah's going to make herself a waffle and toast, and then Chase is going to have toast with one of my cinnamon rolls. So we kind of just eat what's in there and what we have. Sometimes Sunday mornings I'll make a breakfast, but typically we just kind of eat whatever we want, and we all make that for ourselves. Anytime Chase is home, we'll go sit down at the dining room table to eat because we only have 2 bar stools at the island. So if it's just me and Savannah during the weekday, we'll sit up there for breakfast. But since Chase is home, we actually go sit down at the table so we can all sit down as a family. I'm usually always the first one to finish eating, so I head on into the kitchen and start cleaning up just the mess we made from making breakfast. Now that I finished tidying up the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and unload the dishwasher. Sometimes I get that done at night, but typically I run it right before I go to bed. And so when we wake up and have breakfast, then I'll go ahead and unload it so that it's clear for the whole day. Once all the dishes are put away, I'm going to go ahead and put any of the dishes in that we use to make breakfast so that the sink is nice and clear and clean to start the day out with. After we are finished cleaning up the kitchen from breakfast, we like to get outside, and so Chase will typically work on the pool, and Savannah likes to go outside and jump and flip and just get all that morning energy out of her before we start our day and start getting ready. We try to skim our pool every morning because there's normally bugs on top, and if we can scoop them out, then we get them before they sink down, and we just learned that keeps the pool really clean. And I will link this pool down in my description box because we always get a ton of questions about it. So now you can see me and I'm answering comments and questions because I had my Sunday cleaning video go live. Now I typically am watering in the morning, but I knew I had a video going up that morning, so I did it the night before so I could take this time to catch up on comments while Chase cleans the pool and Savannah just plays. We'll stay outside for a while, but once we get everything caught up and the pool's clean and Savannah's played, we will head inside to get ready for the day. On this day I was filming, it was Sunday, so I'm actually going to get fully dressed and ready. I don't always do that, but if you see me in my black dress, that's why. I have a full get ready with me, and so I'll post it up high in a card, and I'll also link it at the end screen at the very end of this video if you want to check it out. So if you've been around for a while, you guys know I like to do my hair and makeup every day. I shower. I just feel like it gets me motivated. I'm not always dressed up. Normally I get ready and put on like yoga pants or just old comfy shorts. But this particular day, like I said, I was getting ready for church, so I got completely dressed. Now I'm going to pick out which necklace I'm going to wear today, and I always go for this go-to necklace, and I have that linked in my Amazon store if you want to check it out. I'm probably wearing it in every picture. And then I'm going to pick out my shoes, and I used to wear heels all the time, but now these Michael Kors are my go-to flats. I just love them this summer, and I found them at a consignment store. And then I'm going to grab my purse and head off, and we're going to church. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of them. And if you're not following me over on Instagram already, go hit the link down below my description box so that you can follow me over there. I would really appreciate it. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!